going on, everybody? Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. It's Worm Wednesday. My buddy Adrian over at May's Homestead Chronicles, he's been using some peanuts. So I went out, I got some unsalted peanuts, so I've been having them, and then I grind up the peanut shells and add that to the worm bin. And I started maybe about 2 days ago, and I think they're liking it, so I'm going to try to incorporate that in today to show you where and how I'm kind of putting that in. Today I had a bunch of stuff that was froze, sugar peas, a half a banana, and some celery, and it kind of wasn't falling out real well, so I stuck it in the magic bullet, blended it up, added a little bit of water so it's a little wetter than normal. There is just a couple pieces of lettuce, but for the most part they did a great job. My potato. Let's get to you. Hopefully you can see it. Little cocoon. Very cool. I'm adding a bunch of the eggshell containers and the leaves and the cardboard to this spot because that's where I'm going to feed, and it's going to be kind of more soupy today. So for this, I'm going to add some of that sand mixture. In the hell of a good dip container. This is the peanut shells I was telling you about. Little eggshells. So, with moving some of the eggshell containers, thank you. With moving some of the eggshell containers, I'm going to add, I have some shredded cardboard and paper material. I'm really going to give this a little moisture, and then I will check on this in like maybe 2 days to possibly add some more. I know it's counterintuitive. I said it's going to be soupier and wetter, but I wanted to add a little moisture to the peanut shells. And just give it a little cover. Can you see the hole where you can see my orange glove? So they are nibbling on the paper too. And what I might do, because I've been seeing the last few times a lot of worms underneath that plastic bag, I might just moisten this and not put the plastic bag on for a little while and just see how they make out with that. Trial and error, you gotta love it. Well, as always, thank you for watching. Have a great day.